friends. I finally came to Da Nang, Vietnam, this treasure coastal city. At the beginning, I was deeply attracted by this healing beach. The sea laps against the beach, and the breeze is filled with the fresh smell of sea salt. Just sit on the beach. All the fatigue is blown away. Starting from the beach, we headed straight to the Son Tra Peninsula, known as the Green Lung of Da Nang. The most shocking thing is the top of the mountain. A 67-meter tall Guanyin statue stands quietly, facing the East China Sea. There are over 4,000 hectares of virgin forest. Walking in the woods, you can hear the natural symphony of birds and waves. It's sacred and peaceful. Standing here, you can overlook the entire city of Da Nang and its coastline. Wild monkeys can be seen everywhere on the peninsula. The county port is fresh and healing during the day, but the real excitement begins in Da Nang at night. We made a special trip to Da Nang on Saturday night to check out the iconic Dragon Bridge. Let me tell you a little knowledge. The Long Sing Bridge across the Han River, only on Friday and Saturday nights, only has limited fire and water spraying performances. We were really lucky this time. Look, it's not even 9 o'clock. The bridge was already crowded with locals and tourists. Everyone looked up at the dragon head, and expectations were directly raised. The LED light strips on the bridge keep changing colors, like a colorful dragon in the night. The atmosphere is directly full. I suggest you come 20 minutes early to get a seat. Otherwise, you really can't squeeze into the front row. Here we are. Look at the dragon head. With a loud bang, flames shot out directly. The orange-red firelight instantly illuminated the night sky. The heat wave can be felt from a distance. The whole audience was screaming. The scene was so shocking. The fire will last for 3 to 4 times. And there will be a light show in between. Just after feeling the enthusiasm of the flames, then it's time for the refreshing water spray. Water jets cascaded down from the dragon's mouth like a waterfall. The people standing under the bridge were laughing and dodging. Even though some of it might splash on you, it's really awesome. Wearing slippers would be more convenient. After watching the amazing show, don't leave in a hurry. Under the long bridge is the lively Chameleon Night Market, also known as Long Chao Night Market. This is the most vibrant and down-to-earth place in Da Nang. As soon as I walked in, I was enveloped by the aroma of various delicious foods. There are also the shouts of vendors and the laughter of tourists. The atmosphere is directly full. Come and follow my camera to take a look. There are so many delicious foods here. Charcoal grilled food is fragrant, and all kinds of skewers, chicken skewers, shrimp skewers, mochi skewers. The aroma is tantalizing. The most interesting thing is the fried ice. The guy stir-fried it quickly with a shovel, and in a blink of an eye, it turns into a drenching of rich ice cream. It's very refreshing to eat in summer. If you're hungry, have a bowl of seafood rice noodle soup with shrimp, squid, beef, bean sprouts, and so on. Besides food, there are also many good stalls to visit. Vietnamese coffee is quite good. It's said that Vietnamese coffee is very bitter. I think it depends on the brand and category. Various Vietnamese specialty products. There are also wood carvings, shell souvenirs, hand-dyed cloth bags. These small items are cost-effective. They are perfect as souvenirs. Those who enjoy shopping can take their time browsing. You can also bargain with the boss. These are seafood and dried goods, which are also my favorites. There are also counterfeit brand bags. Can be sold openly in Vietnam.
Nếu không phải em mua bên kia rồi. Nó cho xin một tay anh. Để em bấm cho ông ấy nhá. 400 không?
From the beach and Cat Da Island during the day to the Dragon Bridge fire-breathing show at night to the lively atmosphere of the night market. Saturday in Da Nang was so fulfilling and fun. If you want to come to Da Nang, you must leave Saturday night to the Dragon Bridge and the night market. It will definitely be unforgettable. Okay, I'm going to continue shopping and eating. If you like this video, don't forget to like and follow. See you next time. Bye bye.